Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to use Google Authenticator without an account. Now let's begin. On my mobile device, I'm simply gonna open up the Authenticator application right now. In case you have not installed it, do install it right now. I'm simply gonna click on the application right here. Then something like this will open up. As you can see, all these accounts are linked to my Google Authenticator. And at the top, there's a cloud-like icon, meaning my codes are synced with my Google account. Now let's try to use Google Authenticator without an account. At the top right, here's my account right here. I'm simply gonna click on it, then this will open up. At the very end, you can see something called as Use Authenticator without an account. I'm gonna click on the button right here. Once you click on it, something like this will open up. It says that our codes will be removed from the Google account and other device where we're signed in. They will still be available in this device. Let's simply hit on continue. And guys, there you go. That's how you use Google Authenticator without an account. Personally, I do not recommend using Google Authenticator like this. If possible, link your account to the Google Authenticator and your codes will be safe. Well guys, that's it. That's how you use Google Authenticator without an account. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.